Hi guys, my name is Michelle Andy. Welcome to the Forex Mountain. So, man, I don't really know where to start from, but you guys know how these stories always goes. It's been crazy as usual. It's been really, really crazy. Really damn a bit crazy. Like it's been off the hook. Trading is like a different way of lifestyle. Like trading is cool. It's cool. Like if you really know what you're doing, it's cool. Like it's super cool. So this is it. When I started out trading, I was first introduced to swing trading. I was first introduced to swing trading. It was cool at first. We all blew the account and all that, did all this stuff. I didn't really understand what trading was really all about. I didn't really understand that there was like so much to do in trading, so very much, so much that I had to learn in trading. Okay, I just thought that since I had my MetaTrader 4, I could just place trade, like leave it overnight, come back, see profit. I didn't really know what I was looking out for in the Forex market. So I think the first book I ever read related to Forex was called Naked Forex, and I should be I count myself very lucky that that was the first book I read, because that book actually like opened my eyes to Forex. The book actually taught me that I can use and I can only like rely on price action and in analyzing the market. I don't need it. I don't need to buy indicators or look at all these indicators, put crazy things all over my chart just for me to trade. But the thing is that the book wasn't really giving me all the information I needed. I knew that I needed so much more information. So I tried to expand my knowledge. So one of the friends I was training with that time, we were kind of like we were trading enthusiasts. He was more of a very aggressive trader. So he introduced me to someone on YouTube. I don't want to mention the guy's name. So when I started watching the guy's videos and all that, I started understanding a different form of trading other than swing trading, because I was swing trading, but I didn't really know that I was swing trading. I wasn't profitable, mind you. So I didn't really know that I was swing, because I was holding trades overnight and I was always looking at the 4-hour chart. I could never go lower than the 4-hour chart. So when he introduced me to the guy, so I watched the guy videos. Like I was really cool with the guy videos. Like damn, like this is a Nigerian. So before, I mean, maybe I've seen videos of like foreigners. This is like the first time I've seen a video of a Nigerian actually clean it in the market. So I was like super excited. I just felt that okay, I just needed to like watch this guy video and everything would be super cool, and I'll start being profitable and all that. Dude, I watch the guy videos, literally watch almost everything, spend all my money on data, watching everything, man. I was super broke. So like you can imagine watching all those YouTube videos, yeah. So it was really crazy, yeah. It was really crazy. So I keep watching them videos. Then before I knew it, I was kind of like trying to trade the way he trade, but in a swing trader kind of a way, which it couldn't be possible, because this guy was literally looking at the 4-hour chart, coming down to the 1-hour chart, then executing his trade on the 15 minutes. It was cool. My friend that we were trading with that time, he was very aggressive. I told you, like I didn't really have much information about the Forex market. I was just carrying information from different areas and just trying to like compile it into myself and just try to see what I could do with the chart. But the thing is that anytime I do watch these videos, I'll be like, yeah, I figure it out now. Yeah, I know what I'll do now once I hit the market. Once I just open up my chart and look at my chart, like I'm literally lost. Like I'm lost. Like I don't even know where to start from. I'll be drawing trend lines from here and there. I'll be drawing trend lines on the 15-minute, trading it on the 4 hours. Like I was literally confused. I'll be drawing psychological zones, and because the guy was always talking about logical zones. That's the even numbers. Is it the whole numbers? Sorry. So I was just like I literally didn't even know how to have a strategy. I literally even have any idea of how to have a strategy. So since he introduced me to YouTube, so I started like watching some couple of other guys. I think there was this station I stumbled upon. The station name is called No Nonsense Forex. Yeah, No Nonsense Forex. So that guy was an indicator guy. You see me now? I'm coming out from reading what do you call it, naked forex, which relies on only price action, to going to a guy that is a day trader and is drawing trend lines all over the chart, and from there going to a guy that's all about indicators. Man, if you read one book, this is Cycle of Doom. Yeah, Cycle of Doom. I'm just turning around. I don't know where to stop. I don't know where to go to, but I just know that I have passion for trading. Like that was my drive. I just know I have passion for trading. I love trading. Like trading is everything that I want to do. Like it's literally everything that I want to do. So I just knew I needed to be good at trading so that I could quit my day job. Like I could get out of the job I was doing because I didn't love that job at all. So I needed to be good at this. So like I just have to do something to be good at this. But I also had in my subconscious, because I started reading more about trading, so I kind of like just knew that this wasn't gonna like take this was gonna be like just 2 days or 3 days or 1 month, or like this was gonna take years for me to be good, like for me to really say, oh yeah, I'm good at trading. So that was kind of like also my drive, you know, the quest for financial freedom, as you always hear people say. That was always my drive also. Like I just knew that I just wanted to like get out of where I was that time in my life. So I kept watching this no nonsense Forex guy. I was kind of like hooked. He was a swing trader. You see, so I went back to swing trading again. So he was a swing trader, but it wasn't all about price action. It was more about indicators, tracking indicators. So I started like going to my MT4 kind of platform, downloading indicators. You know, I was tracking indicators, man. Like I was just trying out new things. Like then I started like I kind of like got hooked on moving average indicators. Yeah, I still use them up to now. Moving averages. Like I'm more of a price action trader these days, more of a swing trader, but I'm still hooked on moving average. Like I just use them like my added confluences. You get so. So I kept watching the guy videos, so I tried to replicate his way of trading on the 4 hours. I was trying not to come down to the lower time frame. So I used to put on trades, like I kind of like back tested some strategies. It was working out perfectly. It was working out, but I wasn't really seeing result, you know. And moreover, I wasn't really trading with a very high account size, so I literally don't blame myself if I wasn't seeing results, because yeah, I was trying to turn like a small amount of money into 10K dollars, or like which you know is literally impossible. You get, but at that time you wouldn't know. You wouldn't have any idea about these things. Like people don't tell you these things. I wasn't like in any, like I wasn't like, nobody was my mentor or anything. I was just like, this is just me being random on the charts, you know, just trying to like figure out my way on the charts, you know, trying to do this stuff on my own. But one thing I always knew about myself was that I never want to take anybody's signals. You wouldn't find me taking anybody's signals, like, because at first I knew if I'm taking your signals, then how am I ever going to grow in the market? How am I ever going to grow in the market if I'm taking your signals? That means that I'm a useless. Like I wouldn't trade. I'm not trading just to make money. I'm not trading just to make. I want to be good at this. If I'm good at this, then the money comes. You get bored, man. I'll try making money along the line very well, man. Try making a whole lot of money, man. So it was really crazy. Like it was really damnably crazy. Damnably crazy, man. Damnably crazy. Like you should count how many accounts I've blown. Like people always say I've blown my first, my second. Bro, I've blown like over 30 accounts. Like I've blown uncountable accounts. uncountable accounts, but mine is not really like high figures kind of account. No, in the range of $100, $200, $300, $500. Yeah, most times we go to 1,000. So I've blown a lot of accounts. Like, man, I've blown a whole lot. Excess, I've eaten a whole lot of my money, man. Yeah, so, and it was crazy, but I just knew that I just needed to figure this out. Like, there had to be a point where I needed to figure this out. Like, I need to figure this out, man. I need to figure this out. I knew I was good because I've gotten so many information about the market, bro. Like, everything about my life was about trading. I was reading, yeah, watching YouTube videos, yeah, bro. I've watched more than 2,000 YouTube videos, bro. Watched I don't want to cuss. I've watched everything, but the lifestyle. Some people kind of like they even show you the Forex trade anymore. They show you their lifestyle. Dude, I watch everything just to have the feel of how traders trade, how they live their lifestyle, how to be a trader and all that. Yeah, so I knew very well that I needed to develop a strategy. So I did develop a strategy with the moving averages, but I wasn't really feeling it. Yeah, I don't think I really had confidence in it. I knew I needed to know more about price action. So, okay, so I read a book called The Candlestick Bible. You need to read that book. If you really want to go find for it, you need to read that book. So I read that book. Like, I read the hell out of that book, bro. I read every fucking thing, man. Yeah, like, so I read that book. So I tried to kind of like get myself inundated in the market. I think what really changed me, what was really like the game changer was when I started taking chart patterns seriously. Chart patterns, bro. I've never really thought much about chart patterns. Look, I'll just wait for my moving average to say buy and I'll buy. Like that was actually what I was just relying on, my moving averages. Then I'll just keep the market out kind of like being trending upward, trending upward, trending up. I'll be like, this market is gonna be like exhausted. Like, it's gonna be tired at some point, if I should put it that way. Like, it's gonna like want to reverse. So I was always waiting for a reverse. You will never see me be at the start of any trend because I literally don't even know when the trend want to start. So why will you see me there? So I'm waiting for the market to go be at some point whereby the RSI will be like, damn, it's over 80% or something. So this market is kind of like overbought or oversold. Then I'm just waiting to place my order there. Then that kind of way of trading, you're not really going to get much from that type of trading. So like, it was almost as if almost all the information I've gotten, you always keep getting me to nowhere. What am I really trading? What am I really? Am I really a trader? At some point, I just got fed up that I had to like leave the market. Bro, I leave the market because I blew money. I blew money, bro. I blew a whole lot of money. So I just I didn't leave this market unless I'll go bankrupt. Like, I'll literally go bankrupt. It's not easy, man. It's not easy. It's not easy. Look, I'm not saying I'm there yet now, but the level I am right now, the level I am right now with the way I trade, with the way I see trade, with the way I do things is far better than a year ago. I'm closing in like to 2 years. Yeah, I'm closing in a bit. Yeah, 2 years. Yeah, I think next year will make me 2 years. Next year, March. Yeah, probably. So I'm still like a very new trader, but I knew about Forex since 2018 to 19. Then I won't count those years because I was only like using only the meta trader, just doing some demo shit, which wasn't really important. I didn't really like. I wanted doing it then, but I wasn't really like serious. So I don't count that years because if I want to count that, that would be like 4 years, and people be like, 4 years. So no. So I wasn't taking the market seriously then. So it was last year, 2021. I can never forget. I remember calling my babe. Yeah, my babe. I remember calling my babe. I was like, oh, I'm going to take this seriously. Oh, hold on a minute.